Hey guys, welcome back to About Technology. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove green screen in DaVinci Resolve. So let's start. Well, I have two videos, one of reporter with green screen and the other one is of outside some palace. The idea is to remove the green screen behind this reporter and place this reporter in front of this palace so that it look like he's reporting outside the palace. For creating such a scenario, we have to first place this palace video at the bottom. So just drag this video and place it on the timeline on video track 1. Now above this we have to place the video with green screen. So let us drag this video with green screen and drop it over video track 2. Now we have to adjust the length of this green screen video so that both the video are of same length. So let us trim this video and make both the video of same length. Now select the video with green screen and go to Effects and click on Open FX. In Open FX you have to select 3D keyer. You'll find this in Resolve FX key. Now you have to select this 3D keyer and drag and drop it over video with green screen. Now you can see this FX over here, which means we have applied 3D keyer on this green screen video. Now to operate on this effect, we have to enable Open FX in preview window. So click on this drop down arrow and enable Open FX overlay. Now in Inspector panel you have to click on Effects. In Effects, under Open FX, you just have to select this dropper and drag it over the green portion in this video. As soon as you release your mouse, you can see that the green portion is vanished. But still, if you can notice, there are some green traces around this reporter. So to resolve this, we have to scroll down a little and in Behavior option, we have this Dispel. Now fix this dispel until this green traces disappears. Done. Even after fixing the dispel, if you find the green traces around your character, then you can go to matte fitness and here you have clean black and clean white. You can fix these values to get rid of green color. As I can see, there is still trace of green at the edges of this character. So let me fix it and I'll fix clean black. If you'll do it much, you'll miss the minute details of this character. So let it be a little. And now let us select the video again and go to videos. In videos, we have to fix the zoom so that this reporter appears same as the size of the people around over here. So let us zoom in and adjust its position. I want to zoom in it a little bit more and again fix the position. Let us move it towards right. Now let's play the video. It appears like that the reporter is reporting outside the palace. So that's it guys. If you want to know how to add subtitles to your video in DaVinci Resolve, please click on the video at the top right corner of your screen. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more DaVinci Resolve videos, please subscribe this channel. It will notify you when any new video comes out. Feel free to comment what other new videos would you like to watch in future. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next. Bye bye.